Common myths and misconceptions. In our exploration of content marketing automation, we have covered the what and the why. Let's tackle the myths. Misconceptions about automation can deter many from leveraging this powerful approach. Now, whenever there's a new thing, you always have a lot of myths around it. This lesson aims to debunk these myths, clearing the path for an informed, effective content marketing strategies. Welcome back. I'm Savan Kumar, your guide through the realm of content marketing automation. Today, we are on a myth-busting mission. Let's dispel some common myths and shed light on the truth about automation in content marketing. Myth number 1. Automation is impersonal. That is something that all of us feel very, very strongly. Even though we are a target every single day and we are enjoying the benefits of these automations every single day, be it on our Facebook or any other social media platforms that you're using. This is, like it says, perhaps the biggest misconception out there. Many fear that automation sacrifices the personal touch. The truth, automation can actually enhance personalization. With the right tools, you can segment your audience, tailor your messaging, and ensure that each piece of content feels like it was crafted just for them. That's what enhanced personalization is all about. Myth number 2. Automation means set it and forget it. Some believe that once automation tools are in place, they can sit back and relax. Well, this is not the case. However, effective automation requires monitoring and tweaking, regular feedback. It's a loop where you implement something, you analyze the data, take the feedback, and reinvent the process. It's not about replacing human oversight, but about making the process more efficient. Your engagement and attentiveness to the system's performance are actually very, very, very crucial. Myth number 3. Only big companies benefit from automation. It's easy to think that automation is a luxury for large corporations with massive budgets. In reality, businesses of all sizes can benefit from automation. Yes, you too can. For small and medium-sized businesses, automation can actually be a game changer, leveling the playing field and allowing them to compete with larger corporations. Myth number 4. Automation is too expensive. Concerns about cost often deter businesses from exploring automation solutions. While there is an upfront investment, the efficiency, scalability, and improved results automation brings can offer a significant return on that investment that you make upfront. Plus, there are scalable solutions to fit various budgets. There are monthly solutions to fit into your budget. Myth number 5. Automation will replace human jobs. The fear of job loss is a common concern across industries. Is that true? Well, content marketing automation does not replace creativity and strategic thinking. It actually enhances it. So when we talk of automation, be it content marketing automation or any other automations, it does not replace human being. It does not replace creativity and strategic thinking. It only and only enhances it. So with the power of chat GPTs and other platforms, what it has done is it has not replaced a human being. It has been added as a tool that significantly enhances your ability to be creative and strategic. If you are not creative, if you're not strategic, ChatGPT or no tool in this world can help you. Automation takes care of the repetitive tasks, freeing humans to focus on the creative and strategic elements that require a human touch. By debunking these myths, we can approach content marketing automation with a clear, informed perspective. Automation is a tool, and like any tool, its effectiveness depends on how we use it, how you use it. Just because it did not work for you, maybe because you did not use it in the right way, does not mean automation does not work for industry or does not work for your business or it is not for you. It is for you. You just have to know how to use it the right way. Stay tuned for our next lesson where we will start to lay the groundwork for implementing your own content marketing automation strategy. Well, thanks for joining me in today's myth-busting adventure, and I will see you in the next lesson. And like we always do, let us do a quick recap, a quick summary of what we did. So this lesson aimed to debunk common myths about content marketing, automation, clarifying misconceptions, and providing a more accurate understanding of how automation can benefit content marketing efforts across businesses of all sizes. Armed with this knowledge, we are ready to move forward into the strategic implementation of content